everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Keep to your advantage and all of its benefits. To begin, we're going to go to keep.google.com where it will take you to this page. Make sure you're signed in into your account and notes you add will appear here. From here on, I'm going to show you how to create notes, how to create reminders, how to edit labels, how to recover stuff from your bin, and the archive. To begin, we're going to take a note. Today's note is going to be to not miss our 5 uploads. And we are gonna change the background option, for instance, to red. Or we're gonna add a collaborator, meaning somebody else can view this note, quit it. And a reminder, add an image, for instance, from our custom files. So I'm gonna add this fire logo, for instance. And we can archive and we can do more, such as delete note, add label, add drawing, which I'm gonna do. Let's draw an eye here. Now, don't judge me on my drawing skills. I am not the best artist. And we are gonna do export this image. Or actually, never mind. You don't need to export this image. You can go back. And we are also going to add a label. Label cool. Or label is this. And there you go. So now we're going to close the note. And as you can see, all of this has been added to the note. Now from here, we have two different tabs. Reminders and this. This is our flagged note. I don't know why it is flagged. There we go. So it can be pinned, it can be unpinned. If it is pinned, it's generally going to be the first few things out of your notes, but if it isn't, it's not going to be. From here, we're going to go to reminder, and we can have to do remind me tomorrow at 8, next week on Monday 8th, or home, which actually, surprisingly, this is the wrong place. And let's do next week, Monday 8th. So from here on reminders, it's going to show you that next week, on the 13th of February, it's going to show on Monday, made this reminder. Now I'm actually going to cancel this. Now let's say we wanted to delete this note. It's going to be arrived in our bin. For us, the bin will be staying here for 7 days, and then after, all of its content will be deleted. So if I were to accidentally delete an important note, I can simply come back to the bin and recover it. Now, another thing I'm going to show you guys is archive. If we archive this, it's going to be in our archive, not in our notes, nowhere, but in our archive. And generally, that is all you have to know about Google Keeps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.